Johnson County, and I want to share this new build with you. It is about 3,135 square feet, 2-story, 4 beds, 2.5 baths. So let's go take a look. You guys know I love a covered front entry, aka also known as a porch, because I'm a southern gal and we love porches. So let's go take a look at this beautiful home. We're going to explore it together. I didn't do my pre-walkthrough to get a lay of the land, so let's see what we've got here. Ooh, look, here is the formal dining area. Look at that table. It is seating 6, but look at the size of the room and the wall treatment. Do you like that? And the arches throughout the hallway. Off to the left, the other side. Oh my, check this out. It is a really spacious study. Yeah, and as you guys know, if you were to add a closet here, it could be a bedroom. You just needed egress and a closet. Okay, so continue on. Again, it's a 2-story. That's the catwalk. Look at the arches, beautiful detail. This is also engineered wood look tile. Continuing on, we've got the half bath on the main floor with the pedestal sink, ceramic tile, and one of my favorite details that sometimes are omitted in new construction is that cabinet in your toilet area. I love extra cabinetry everywhere. Here is the utility room. This utility room is oversized, as you can see, because it not only has the large front-loading newer appliances, it has the cabinetry that you can use. Love that. Okay, let's continue. Go into the main area, and we have the high ceiling, the stone surround fireplace, which you know is always an upgrade, but if that's what you like. I'm not a fireplace person, but if you love a fireplace, this one is beautiful. And I like the way it's kind of in the corner, so you have more usable wall space. That's an important feature to me, is to have the fireplace kind of tucked to the side so you can still enjoy it, but not lose any wall space and have more flexibility with your layouts. We've got floor to ceiling windows, perfect for tons of natural lighting, which improves livability in my humble opinion. And then we've got the eat-in kitchen. This eat-in kitchen also has a cute window seat. And again, we've got the upgraded kitchen here with the hood vent, but it's still a gas community. And this one has the farmhouse sink with the upgraded hardware, as you can see, with the black hardware. And the countertop is also quartz, which again is man-made, more durable than marble, so that's pretty cool. And then we've got the wall mount oven, which is really fun. This layout, hey, surprise, it has a butler's area with even more storage. Love that, perfect for entertaining and additional storage. And then as you can see, it's a fully walk-in pantry. I could walk in, the lights off, turn around, and walk out. That's how big that pantry is. Perfect. Now let's head back out. Take a look at these beautiful stairs. They have the iron and wood detail on them, which is very nice. Let's go upstairs. Oh, no, let's go back downstairs. Never done that before. Ha! On the main floor. Oh my gosh. So this house gets even more stars because on the main floor is the primary. That's always a plus for me. It has tray ceiling. Okay, look at the size of this primary. Look at the floor space between that California King and the wall. This means you could put a bench there at the bottom of that California King and still have plenty of space. That's how big this particular primary is. And look at that cute wall treatment. Yes, I love a wall treatment. And oh my gosh, so I'm in here. And again, guys, I showed you the primary bed. Look at all the space between that wall and the bed. This is a really nice size primary. So let's go check out what the bathroom has to offer. Again, more tile, which is cool. Let's see, back here, I'm guessing is the toilet. Yes, with cabinetry. So, you know, that's a plus. And then here, okay, a really good size linen closet. And again, my favorite, as you guys know, I like either a split vanity like we have here, or honestly, I like to have my own bathroom and closet. I hope that's coming in the near future. That is a standard. There's a soaker tub, and then here's the shower. It is a double-sized shower. The only thing, of course, I would add, I just have to put in a mobile bench that you could take in and out as needed. And then here is the primary closet. It's a little dark. Let's get the light on so you can check it out. All right, it's really deep, very deep. All right, it's like a long U-shaped closet. All right, perfect, plenty of storage. We'll turn that light back out and head back out. I love this primary on the master. Yeah, on the main floor. You know, it's the only way I'll buy a 2-story these days. That's just me. If you are a younger family, you may want to be upstairs with the kiddos. I am empty nest, so I'm not trying to be upstairs, just the kiddos and grandkids. All right, let's go upstairs and see what this has to offer in terms of the remaining 3 bedrooms, because again, this is a floor 2.5. Wow, look at this amazing surprise. This is the landing area. All right, so this could be a game room, another living area, flex space, you know, for work from home, learn from home, whatever. And on the catwalk that we showed earlier, okay, if we go to the left on the catwalk, there's the front door. We've got, oh my, look at this bedroom. It is huge. Double door closet, room for the desk. That's a good size. I think that's a full bed, nightstand. Awesome. And then we've got, let's see here, get some light for you. The shared bath. All right. Really nice. Turn the light back out. And then we've got bedroom 2 upstairs. This one's a little smaller, but it's still a good size. Look at that. Love it. Okay, let's head back out. As you can see, on one side is the front door on the catwalk. On the other side, you can see the living area. Let's go see what's on the other side. Again, we've got that cute game room and the other bathroom, the other shared bath. This one's bigger, deeper, and really well done. I love the backsplash and this large counter area for the shared bath. Perfect for having 3 bedrooms upstairs. And then here is the final 4th bedroom. It has a little foyer to it. And as you come in, you see this large dresser. You see all of the space for the bed. You've got all the space between the bed and the window. And this one has a smaller closet, 1-door closet. Let's peep in. Let's see if we get surprised. Oh yeah, look at this. It's deep though. Even though it has 1 door, it is very deep. So there's plenty of storage. Awesome. So this is another amazing floor plan that we found from one of my builders here in Johnson County. Again, the HOA for this community is about $85 a month. The tax rate is 2.5%, includes the MUD. It already has the pool in the amenity center with the fitness center coming soon. It already has a pond that's stocked for catch and release. It has 6 parks coming. It has trails that are coming. And again, it is in phase 1 of 12. So if you join now, you will see an amazing increase in your equity. All right, it's Glenda. Call me if this interests you. I am at 817-527-8911. Talk with you guys soon. Bye.